All right, today, Mustang Stampede. Again, hey, Mustangs were kind of on hold. I just give you a quick update on Mustang stuff because obviously this is my Mustang channel, but I'm obviously getting into all kinds of different little videos because not really going anywhere in the Mustangs. I've actually put most of my vehicles in storage for insurance purposes, so I'm not paying for cars that I'm not necessarily using. So anyway, let's talk about this Kohler Courage single cylinder 20 horse motor. It's decided to self-destruct at 119 hours. I believe that it either one just did its thing because that's what these are known to do, or it may just been a tad low on oil. But by looking at the yard and the deck and the engine area, I'm guessing it wasn't low on oil. So anyway, it split itself right here and it punched a hole through the bottom right there. So at that point, maybe the head's good, the carb's good, the fuel solenoid shutoff is good, starter's good, flywheel's good. There's various things that are good still on this. I'll be reusing this one-piece pulley right here with my mower, the new motor. So anyway, let me get that off there. That's the Courage Kohler junk. The replacement arrived. It is a Briggs & Stratton Professional Series 19 horse Fox Lawn and Garden. Found them online. Same pigtail as the one that's going to be used on the Cub Cadet right there, as you can see. Okay, the starter's on the right side because the starter wire is right here. If I can fish it out, it will be on right there. Okay, so pretty much everything is good to go. The only thing that's different is they are sending me another muffler because, as you know, on this Cub Cadet LTX 1045, the muffler actually mounts in between those rails right there. So I'm not 100% sure. I probably could have used my old Cub Cadet muffler, but they're automatically sending one, so I'll just use the new one. Okay, so one thing, I do need to go to the hardware store and get some grade 8 bolts and some locking nylon nuts. I won't be threading these. I will actually just use bolts that go slide through. I don't have a tap or anything like that, and I like the idea of having bolts that are just slide through and bolted down. That way it's easy to remove if I ever need to do anything. So anyway, I'll update you along the way on progress on this, and as always, thanks for watching.